3. Amazing flyers. Most birds can fly and some of them are amazing flyers. The fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon. When it's diving straight down, a peregrine falcon can fly at more than 200 kilometers per hour. Swallows are really amazing flyers. They hunt insects in the air, so they need to dive and turn very fast. It's fun to watch slow swallows in the evening when there are lots of insects flying around. Some birds make amazing journeys to find food or to travel to a place to have their babies. Bar-tailed woodwits fly all the way from New Zealand to Alaska. That's about 16,500 kilometers. The journey only takes about 1 week, with a short stop in China to rest and eat. Swifts are small birds that spend most of the time flying. They can even sleep in the air.